Hello there techies, this is Malay Vasada and welcome to my channel. In last video, we saw how can we create the organization level document library or a list template. When we create a new document library, we see from an organization. So when we click on that, this is the template that we created. You can also see the very same document library template available in the other side as well. There we have it. So in this video, we will take a look at how can we remove this document library or a list which is deployed at the organization level using SharePoint Online Management Shell. You can search for SharePoint Online Management Shell and you will end up coming on this page. It's the official Microsoft site download page. You go ahead and click on download. Once it is downloaded, install into your system, and then that would simply be available as the command prompt. So search for SharePoint Online Management Shell, open it as an administrator, and this is where we're going to be writing the commands. So very first command that we would be writing here is, let me maximize this, connect SPO service URL. We need the SharePoint Online admin URL. So let's first go ahead and connect to the SharePoint Online. It will ask for the credentials. Make sure that you select and use the credentials which have the tenant access right or the SharePoint Online admin access rights. We are connected with SharePoint Online. What we first need to do is let's get all the organization level templates that are deployed. So for that, what we need to do is we'll use get SPO list design. Okay, that's incorrect spelling. Design. And we have got one design because we really just have one single template as we saw. Now what we need to take into the consideration is the first ID, which is the list template ID, and the site script ID. These two IDs are very important. So first what we need to do is we need to remove the SPO site script. So for that, let's write SPO site script, and then we need to provide the ID. So let's specify the ID. Let's copy that. Let's hit enter. So now the site script is been removed. Now we need to remove the list template itself, and that is removing the list design ID. So let's copy that. Remove SPO list design. Let's copy that. Hit enter. With this execution, the document library template at the organization level is now removed. Let's go and validate that. Hit refresh. On the other side as well, let's close this, hit refresh, click on new document library from your organization, and you see now we don't have the template. Let's go and check the other side as well. New document library from your organization, and we don't have any template now available. So this is how we can remove the document library or a list template deployed at the organization using SharePoint Online Management Shell. I thank you so much for watching the video.